Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with some happy mail I received, and it's from Lorraine Platero. Thank you so much for thinking of me. I appreciate it, but look at how cute this padded packed envelope is with the red truck. I love it. And it has the buffalo plaid. Okay, so it was ripped here in the corner a little, so we'll just, oh, and she even has matching tape. We will just go from there. Oh, wow. She sent me some foam tape. Yes. I can always use foam tape. Oh, and she sent me some pop dot adhesives. Thank you. And wow. Okay, I don't see a card. Oh, she told me she forgot the card. I knew that. I do that all the time too. Like always, trying to get it in the mail, trying to get it so I can leave the house to go drop it to the post office, and then I forget the card. Oh. Oh my goodness! Do you know I was looking for these at my Joann's and they don't have any? And even online, I was looking for the planner and they don't have it. It's sold out. But oh, look at these beautiful planner stickers. Oh, snow. Oh, this is beautiful. Lorraine, thank you so much, sweetie. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Tiana. Cindy. Ariel. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate this. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Go. Lorraine doesn't do videos, but she is a comment stalker. Oh, thank you so much, Lorraine. I appreciate it so much. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Please like this video. Consider subscribing if you're new. If you're coming back, welcome back. And until my next video, you can find videos here. Shakas.